Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best pull-off drying towel is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any car enthusiast looking to maintain that showroom shine, as it plays a crucial role in preventing water spots and micro-scratches that can mar your vehicle's paintwork after a wash, making the right choice paramount for preserving your car's aesthetic appeal and resale value. Number 5. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with our premium microfiber cloths. Designed for superior performance, they make every surface shine. These cloths are engineered to absorb spills quickly and trap dirt effectively. Experience a streak-free clean on any surface, every time. Our microfiber material is incredibly soft, ensuring it won't scratch delicate surfaces. Yet, it's tough on grime, leaving your home spotless. From kitchen counters to car interiors, these cloths are perfect for a multitude of cleaning jobs. They are your go-to tool for a sparkling finish. Each cloth is built to withstand repeated use and washing. Enjoy consistent cleaning power that lasts, making them a smart choice for your household. This generous pack ensures you always have a clean cloth ready when you need it. Stock up and simplify your cleaning routine. What we like. This pack offers great value with multiple towels for various tasks. If you need versatile cleaning cloths for everyday messes around the house or in the car, this is a solid choice. They are absorbent and come in a convenient pack size. What people say. The towel is super absorbent and dries my car quickly without leaving water spots. I love how soft and plush this towel is. It doesn't scratch my car's paint at all. The size of the towel is perfect for drying my entire car in one go. Number 4. Kleenex Expressions Disposable Paper Hand Towels. Discover the convenience of Kleenex Expressions Disposable Paper Hand Towels. Designed for everyday use, they offer a hygienic and reliable solution for your home or office. This value pack includes 6 boxes, with 60 towels in each. That's a total of 360 hand towels, ensuring you're always stocked up. Experience the signature softness and absorbency you expect from Kleenex. They are gentle on hands while effectively drying them. Each towel is designed for single use, promoting better hygiene. Simply grab one when you need it and dispose of it afterwards. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or even on the go. Keep them handy wherever a quick, clean dry is needed. Please note that the packaging may vary, but the quality and quantity of the towels remain the same. What we like. For ultimate convenience and hygiene, these disposable towels are unmatched. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to dry hands in a busy household or commercial setting, these are perfect. They eliminate the need for washing and ensure a fresh towel every time. What people say. The microfiber material is super absorbent and dries cars quickly without leaving lint or streaks. It's surprisingly large, making it easy to dry large surfaces like the roof and hood in just a few passes. The soft texture feels gentle on the car's paint, preventing scratches. Number 3. Chemical Guys Miracle Dryer Microfiber Drying Towel. Meet the Chemical Guys Miracle Dryer Microfiber Drying Towel, designed for ultimate scratch-free drying. Its oversized dimensions make it perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. This towel features a unique dual pile design for maximum absorbency and streak-free results. The short pile quickly wicks away water, while the high pile gently buffs surfaces. With its generous 36 by 25 inch size, it easily covers large areas like hoods and roofs. This means fewer passes and significantly reduced drying time for your full-size vehicle. Worried about scratches? Our soft banded edge construction ensures a completely safe drying experience. It's gentle on all paint finishes, including ceramic coatings and freshly corrected surfaces. The bright yellow color makes dirt visible, so you know when to flip to a clean side. This helps prevent accidental scratches and keeps your paint looking its best. For even faster drying, pair this towel with our after-wash drying aid. Remember to wash it with microfiber wash to maintain its absorbency and integrity for every use. What we like. This towel is designed for serious car enthusiasts with larger vehicles. Its oversized nature and dual-pile design allow for efficient, scratch-free drying in fewer passes. If you own a truck, SUV, or RV and want a premium, safe drying experience, this is the one. What people say. This towel is super absorbent and dries my hair in half the time. It's very soft and gentle on my hair, reducing frizz and breakage. The large size is perfect for wrapping all of my long hair. Number 2. OlimpiaFit Quick Dry Microfiber Towel Set. Never get caught unprepared again. This sports towel set is incredibly packable, easily condensing to a fraction of the size of traditional towels. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. Our innovative microfiber technology allows these towels to absorb more moisture and dry significantly faster than standard options. Spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your activities. This set includes 3 convenient sizes, perfect for a variety of uses. Whether you're swimming, hitting the gym, or relaxing on the beach, these towels are your ideal companion. Crafted from high-quality, premium microfiber, these towels offer a smooth, satin-like feel. They are not only super absorbent but also resist odors, ensuring freshness even after drying. Indulge your skin with the extra Plush microfiber. Its slip-resistant surface is exceptionally gentle, providing a luxurious feel whether you're drying your face, body, or skin. Designed for life on the go, these lightweight travel towels are easy to carry. They come with a convenient bag, making them perfect for backpacking, camping, and all your travel needs. What we like. If you're an active person on the go, this travel towel set is your ideal companion. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for packing in gym bags, backpacks, or luggage. You'll appreciate how quickly it dries and how little space it takes up. What people say. The towel is very absorbent and dries the car quickly. It's soft and doesn't scratch the paint. The size is perfect for drying larger areas. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Workhorse Plush Microfiber Towels. Discover the ultimate cleaning companion. These are designed to make your car, home, and even pet care tasks effortless and scratch-free. Experience professional-level results with these premium cloths. They are expertly crafted for washing, drying, and detailing, ensuring a flawless finish on all surfaces. Made from an ultra-soft microfiber blend, they gently lift dirt and dust without causing any scratches. Your delicate finishes will remain pristine. These towels are incredibly durable, featuring strong stitched edges that resist fraying. They are built to last through countless washes, offering exceptional value. Perfect for drying cars, detailing interiors, cleaning your house, or even drying pets. They handle water, polishes, and sprays with remarkable ease. Their high-pile fibers quickly absorb water and cleaning sprays, reducing streaks and spots. Enjoy faster drying and buffing with minimal effort. What we like. This set offers a premium feel for all your cleaning needs. Its plush microfiber and durable construction make it excellent for car detailing, home cleaning, or even drying pets. If you value a soft touch and long-lasting quality for various tasks, these are a great investment. What people say. The towel is super absorbent and dries the car quickly. It's very soft and doesn't scratch the paint. The size is perfect for drying large areas without needing to switch towels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.